The upgraded one-piece head is precisely processed by professional CNC equipment to ensure that the head is not deformed. The size and position of inlet and output holes are accurate. The cartridge with imported bearings and the impeller is tested by the German dynamic balancing machine to ensure the high-speed operation is stable. The head with three-way air and dust-proof structure design avoids dust particles into the head, extends the life of the cartridge. Three-way spray, efficient cooling. The customized LED bulb and optic fiber has high brightness and natural color. They are working well after hundreds of high temperature and high pressure sterilization and lasts for more than 10,000 hours. Quick coupling design, easy to replace handpiece. Quick coupling can be used with some handpiece models of NSK, WNH, Sirona, Cable. Water volume can be adjusted by 360 degrees at a quick coupling joint, which is easy to adjust without complicated operation. Two sizes of the head for your choice, standard head and torque head, suitable for different working scenes. 45-degree optical fiber handpiece can be perfectly working in the mouth to provide the best adaptability and strongest performance for oral treatment. It is 45-degree wider visual range and less interference. COXO fiber optic handpiece, serving global dentists.